Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing assets and engine settings so the equalizer shades stay sharp. First, import a high-resolution texture, 1024 or 2048, because low-res images blur when stretched. Once done, make sure Studio runs 64-bit and enable any beta rendering features. This reduces compression. Also change the material to force non-PBR and consider disabling bitmaps for that texture to keep edges crisp. These steps avoid early quality loss and set a reliable foundation before you build the equalizer logic. Now you construct the shader and mesh that produce high-res equalizer shades. You need a flat mesh with enough vertices so UVs sample accurately. Fewer vertices cause interpolation and blurring. Then render your effect through a surface GUI or a viewport frame so you control resolution independently of the world. Next, script the sampling. Read the high-res texture, compute amplitude-driven UV offsets, and apply crisp step functions rather than smooth blends where you want hard edges. This keeps the equalizer visually precise during motion. Finish by optimizing and verifying your high-res equalizer shades so users see sharp visuals. First, lock the viewport frame or render target to the resolution you intend to display and test on multiple screen sizes. Make texture compression minimal, prefer PNG or uncompressed assets to preserve detail. Once optimized, profile performance and reduce texture size only if necessary. If you encounter blur, inspect bitmap settings, UV scale, and texture filtering. Correcting those usually fixes softness quickly, and make sure your mesh UVs aren't being scaled unintentionally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.